This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Shauna Lane. Don't miss this golden opportunity for this charming 4-bed, 2-bath Cape Cod with instant equity. Located in the established neighborhood of Poplar Halls, featuring an open floor plan, 2 bedrooms up and 2 bedrooms down, with a converted garage, spacious backyard, and storage shed. Conveniently located minutes from restaurants, shopping, interstates, military bases and more. Don't let a little sweat equity stand in your way. Schedule your showing today. For more information, review the details below or contact Shauna Lane at 757-835-3966.